How to write inline statement for print? I need to print some stuff only when a Boolean variable is set to true. So, after looking at this, I tried with a simple example. Same thing if I write print a if b equals true. What am I missing here?
Python does not have a trailing if statement. There are two kinds of if in Python. If statement. If expression, introduced in Python 2.5. And note that both print a and b equals a are statements. Only the a part is an expression. So if you write, it means. And similarly when you write, it means. Now what would it print/assign if there was no else clause? The print/assignment is still there. And note that if you don't want it to be there, you can always write the regular if statement on a single line, though it's less readable and there is really no reason to avoid the two-line variant.
Inline if-else expression must always contain else clause, e.g. if you want to leave your a variable value unchanged, asking old a value, else is still required by syntax demands. This piece of code leaves it unchanged when b turns to be false.
The else statement is mandatory. You can do stuff like this. Edit. Or, depending of your needs, you may try.
If you don't want to from _future import print function, you can do the following. Which prints. If you're not averse to from _future import print function or are using Python 3 or later. Adding the else is the only change you need to make your code syntactically correct. You need the else for the conditional expression, the inline if-else blocks. The reason I didn't use none or zero like others in the thread have used, is because using none/0 would cause the program to print none or print 0 in the cases where b is false. If you want to read about this topic, I've included a link to the release notes for the patch that this feature was added to Python. The pattern above is very similar to the pattern shown in PEP 308. This syntax may seem strange and backwards. Why does the condition go in the middle of the expression, and not in the front as in C's C, X, Y? The decision was checked by applying the new syntax to the modules in the standard library and seeing how the resulting code read. In many cases where a conditional expression is used, one value seems to be the common case and one value is an exceptional case, used only on rarer occasions when the condition isn't met. The conditional syntax makes this pattern a bit more obvious. Contents equals doc plus \n, if doc else. So I think overall this is a reasonable way of approaching it, but you can't argue with the simplicity of.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.